What's up guys? In this tutorial, I will show you how to uninstall the Microsoft Edge browser from your Windows PC. Although Microsoft Edge comes pre-installed on Windows, you can remove it as a program if you prefer to use another browser. First, open the Windows settings by clicking on the Start menu and then selecting the gear icon. Once you're in Settings, click on Apps and then navigate to Installed Apps. In the search bar, type Microsoft Edge. If you don't see it immediately, make sure to change the Filter by option to All Drives so that you can view all installed programs. After you've located Microsoft Edge in the list, click on the three-dot menu icon on the right side of its entry and select Uninstall. You will be prompted to confirm your decision, so click Uninstall again to proceed. This action will remove Microsoft Edge as an installed program, although it may not delete every single file related to the browser. I don't recommend modifying the registry editor to remove the remaining files, as that could affect your system's stability. Once you've uninstalled Edge, it's a good idea to set your preferred web browser as the default. To do this, go back to the Apps section in Settings and click on Default Apps. Type the name of your preferred browser, such as Chrome or Firefox in the search bar. Click on it, and then select Set Default to ensure that all web-related tasks open in your chosen browser. If you ever need to reinstall Microsoft Edge in the future, you can download it from the Microsoft Store app. I hope this helped you out. Leave a comment if you have any questions and see you in the next one.